Welcome to today's tutorial on a feature that can genuinely transform your WordPress workflow. Creating folders for your media library, pages, posts, and even custom post types. If you've ever found yourself digging through endless lists of images, files, or content just to find what you need, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get organized and streamline your site like a pro. Let's get right into it by addressing the big question. How do you actually add folders to WordPress? Well, WordPress doesn't offer a built-in folder structure. So the most effective solution is to use a folder management plugin. This lets you group your images, posts, and pages into tidy categories. Think of it like adding actual drawers to your workspace. So everything has its place. Now choosing the right plugin matters because not everyone offers the same features or flexibility. So let's talk about a few top choices you should consider for 2026 and beyond. First up is Folders by Premio. This plugin stands out because it lets you organize pretty much everything, from media files like images and PDFs to pages, blog posts, and even custom content types, all within the same clean interface. For example, imagine you're running a site about travel and you're constantly uploading photos, writing articles, and managing destination guides. With Folders by Premio, you could create separate folders for each country and easily drop related media, posts, and pages inside. No more scrolling through a chaotic list, everything's neatly sorted with just a click. Next, there's Happy Files Pro. If you prefer something fast and lightweight, this is a great pick. Its minimal UI makes it perfect for anyone who doesn't want clutter. But it also supports all post types, including WooCommerce products and other plugins. Say you're running an online store. You can create folders for seasonal products, sales campaigns, or even specific brands so you can instantly locate what you need, streamline edits, and save valuable time. For those working with more complicated sites, maybe you have lots of custom post types, Wicked Folders could be the answer. It gives you granular control over exactly which kinds of content use folder organization. Let's say your site includes reviews, portfolios, testimonials, and blog posts. With Wicked Folders, you decide which of those content types get their own folder structure. It's like assigning specific filing cabinets for each department in an office, super powerful if your site's structure gets complex. And if you're just getting started or you mostly need to organize images and files, Filebird is a friendly option. It's built especially for the WordPress media library and offers a straightforward drag-and-drop interface. The Pro version even expands its reach to other content types, so as your needs grow, Filebird can grow with you. Once you've picked your plugin, installation is usually as simple as any other WordPress plugin. Head to your dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for your chosen plugin, and hit Install. After activation, you'll typically find a new folder sidebar or menu in your media library or post lists. Take a few moments to explore the interface. Don't worry if you're not sure where to start. Most plugins offer guided tour, tooltips, or helpful documentation. As you create your first folders, think about how you naturally group your content by topic, date, project, or anything else that makes sense for your workflow. Remember, getting organized is a process, and your ideal structure might evolve as your site grows. You don't have to get everything perfect right away. The real benefit here is how much time and frustration you'll save in the long run. Whether you're managing a bustling blog, an online store, or a custom portfolio. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video and drop a comment below if you have any questions about folder plugins or organizing your WordPress site. And if you want more practical WordPress tips, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching.